Hi, fifth graders. My name is Mrs. Fitzenrider, and I have a number talk to share with you today. We're going to be using Splat, and this is my son Dane over here.
Hi.
He's going to help us out. Here we go. Okay, the total for today's Splat is 5. Let's have a look. So if you haven't used Splat before, here's the thing that you need to know. The circles that are here in the middle are showing us part of the 5. And the rest of the 5 is hiding underneath the 2 splats that are here. The splats are always going to be an equal amount. And Dane's going to help us with some of his thinking about what is underneath here. If you would like some more time to think about this, now would be a really good time to hit the pause button in the corner of the video. Okay, Dane, can you talk to us about what you think is underneath the splat and start by showing us how you know?
Sure. Well, first I can take away that one whole dot from it to make it a 4.
Okay, so you were thinking about like decomposing the 5. So you have a 1
Yes.
and a 4.
Mm-hmm. And then I see that there is 2/4 and 1/2. If you add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/2, you get 1 whole.
Oh, okay. So you were thinking about this part here as 1.
Yes. So you can take 1 away from that 4 and make it 3. And then if you divide 3 into 2 equal parts, you get 1 and 1/2.
And why did you use 2 equal parts?
Because there are 2 splats.
So you were thinking that there's 1.5 under the first splat and that there's also 1.5 underneath the second splat.
Yes.
Okay. Why don't we take a look and see how you did?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
It equals the same thing, but it looks a little different.
Talk to me about that.
Well, it looks like for the first splat,
Is that this one up here?
Yes, first splat. It looks like they just continued filling in the 1/4 and making 2 3/4.
Oh, so in here you're saying that you're thinking about this like it's 2 groups of 3/4.
Yes.
And how did you know the total?
Because 3/4 times 2 is 6/4, or 1 and 1/2.
Yeah, I do see 6/4 here. There's 3/4 over here and 3 more fourths over here, so that would be 6/4. And if I move some of those fourths, let me put that equation in there. Let's say I take this part right here and I move it to fill up this hole. Then I would have 1 over here, and what would be left?
1/2.
Yeah, I could think about it like 2/4 or 1/2. Talk to me about this down here.
That second one is more exactly 1 and 1/2.
Yeah, it's another way to show 1.5.
Yes.
Well, nice job. Thanks for joining us for our number talk today. We'll show you more tomorrow. See ya.